Welcome to Quick Tips with MIE Solutions. I'm Ray Anderson, and we're going to talk about the nitty-gritty of ERP software. When considering bringing in ERP software into your business, it is important to be aware of the good, the bad, and the ugly parts of ERP before doing so. The good: reduces operational and administrative costs. Manually inputting the same information to different software leads to wasted time and data entry errors. With a solution that connects the two departments, you can reduce time and therefore reduce costs. Accurate reporting. An ERP system has a unified data layer that all the other reporting is layered upon. ERP can give you consistent and timely data that shows you everything you need to know when you need to know it. All departments have access to the same data, so there's no confusion about the number of sales or revenue. Integrations. Internal integrations are what ERP is all about. It integrates all modules to communicate with each other. External integrations, however, may still be needed and, for example, can include an EDI system, which links sales and delivery data from one system to another. The bad: it will cost you. There are many costs that go into ERP, including licenses, implementation, support, and maybe even upgraded computers and equipment. ERP systems are not cheap, so be ready to make an investment. Requires energy to implement. Organizational changes will occur with ERP. Your team will have to take the time to learn the software, and implementation/training can seem daunting. Inflexible. ERP can be flexible, of course, but it will not be as flexible as the individual modules you have been using. Because of the way each feature or module connects within an ERP system, it is not possible to make each module perfectly customizable to every company using it. Implementation going off track. Many times, implementation time and speed of training is underestimated. This can lead to loss of money because of time-related costs, license costs, and staff salaries. The ugly: high risk of failure. Over a third of implementations fail. In most cases, the costs and the setup time were so high that the project was abandoned. In many cases, the company had invested in a system that was not a good fit. Indirect losses. If the implementation or software is a failure, you can lose revenue, create organizational issues, and employees may lose trust in your company and its decision makers. An ERP system can be extremely beneficial to your organization if it is needed and implemented correctly. Our goal at MIE Solutions is to make sure that our software is a good fit for our customers and that our customers are a good fit for our software. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's Quick Tip.